Okay. O2C same. If you sell, what happens? Inventory will get deducted from your stock, right? It is deducting.
Yes.
Same order management, SCM module. In order management, you create a sales order. Same, no accounting entry here, right?
Got it. Okay.
No accounting entry. And you do the what we call the COG.
Accounting entry means accounting entry means you're talking about no finance there. What?
No. Whenever you create something, a accounting entry will generate in Oracle ERP. At this stage, no accounting entry generated, just a order. At the stage of finished goods, you are getting a order. Say next, no cost of goods sold will be done, right? At this time of staging and all, cost of goods sold will hit. So it will show actual product cost, the total amount, material and everything. Then it interface to AR. Here also it is invoice, but for Oracle term we call transaction. Both are invoice only. So differentiate between AP and AR, we call it as transaction. Here we got receipt of money. Their payment, here receipt. Okay.
Receipt. Okay. Okay.
So these are all Oracle terms. Same thing only, same flow. So this is order to cash. O2C cycle.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Order to cash. Okay.
So this is the main part there. This is order to cash. Okay, right.
Okay.
Right. So if you want to explore more, okay, in AP, what are the types? You can create single invoice or a batch invoice.
Okay.
So in AP, based on the profile option given in the Oracle, either you can create any one, either you can create batch or single. That based on the client need, you have to decide. Okay, and in the top. Same in the AR, you do it, but both you can do. Transaction. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Same thing. Payment also you have single and batch. So batch payment in 11A we call batch payment. In R12 we call payment manager. Just a term.
Okay.
Because it's payment manager. Same thing.
Okay. So batch payment is for different goods or the same goods? Like how multiple orders?
Here no goods in AP. Suppliers. Different vendor you can select. Same supplier means single, you can select multiple payment. Suppose supplier A, you can select 15 checks also, 15 payment at a time, 15 invoices to pay. But batch will select all as of date. You can automate the batch. Suppose today, as of today, whatever pending, as per payment cycle, whenever you do the supplier setup, you have to do, right? So you will have a payment term. My payment term is 90 day, 30 day, every day. As of date, if you run the batch, whatever pending on the date will come.
It might be to multiple suppliers also.
Multiple only. That is only batch.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is not useful, right? You have to do manually only. See, you have payment terms, number of days. Payment priority.
Okay.
What is payment priority? 1 to 99. You have to define government taxes. See, you have limited funds. Whom to pay first? Then this decides. You give to government taxes and everything first, right? You should not attract fine or it should not get a bad name to the company, right? So that's payment priority 1 and all the supplier. You have to decide based on your purchasing department. Inputs everything you are getting from the business and documenting it and putting it. Payment term. Payment priority, scheduled payment, how the payment should be paid, and everything we'll see as a part of AP setup. Okay. Okay. Right. So what happens here? Receipt. Okay. Here also you have single and batch.
Okay.
But the process is same. Okay. It is having based on the requirement. Mostly it is receipt is automated nowadays.
Okay.
So bank whatever transaction, it will be auto generated. Okay. In receipt, what are the stages are there? Okay. See, A money comes in the bank. You don't know what is it.
Okay.
Mostly,
Okay.
based on the description, you cannot determine, no, when you are getting daily 5,000, 6,000 transaction or even 1,000. You don't know which customer. Customer directly remits and goes. He didn't give information. Banks collects it. Suppose you have a 10,000 amount INR in your bank. Okay. So you cannot leave it like that, right? You have to enter in the system, correct?
Yeah.
You have to enter. So what Oracle gives, I don't know who is that, but money has come into my account. So I will put into unidentified customer.
Okay.
So there is a concept called unidentified customer. First, I will park it. Next, somehow your collection team calls and identified, okay, who is the customer, A or B. Then it become unapplied status. That receipt will be in the unapplied status. Then you know which invoice to apply. There are many invoices. Then that amount will go to applied status. Okay. Suppose you got the invoice 9,900. For 100 rupees, you cannot refund to customer, right? So it should be in the temporary part. Not even unapplied, it should stay. Then every day our AR team will open and check what are the invoice to be applied. So there is an account called on account. It's a temporary parking. Minimum balance. So the next time you will adjust. Suppose you want to refund something, the customer, some business issues or something. Refund also there. You can refund. Okay. So unidentified, applied, on account, refund. Like this. These are the stage. So whenever you get a report, you will have this. So management, you can explain. This is unidentified should not be there. You have to clear it. They will say unapplied should be moved here. Because the customer paid the money means they should have the invoice. No, they will not pay like that, right?
Okay.
So business scenario, you have to link it and check it. So this is P2P cycle O2C. Okay. Yeah. And next is I told like assets. Assets also same. You purchase an asset, you have to raise a PO, right? Okay. Just to come through AP payment. Then it comes to asset. Okay. So this have all the detail, it will interface. Asset also having single and mass additions. What is a mass addition? Suppose a company is implementing Oracle now, right? So they would have purchased 10 years back, 20 years back, all the thing. Now you will put in the mass additions. At a time you will load through Excel or any technical loader or something. The technical people will decide. You have to tell the input, they will help you how to load it at a time. Okay. So these are all we'll see in the asset flow. Okay. See, why mass addition means directly you can load through Excel because you are not purchasing. No, already it is existing in the book. A new purchase will come through this process. Okay. Right. So this is that asset flow. You will see addition, deletion, sale of asset. You purchase asset, part sale you can do, partial and the gain or loss account will emerge. And what else? You can add or move the asset to one place. They call transfer, asset transfer. But asset, you see a few workings only, but the understanding should be more theoretically. Okay. Because normally you do the depreciation monthly. Suppose I am buying a computer, government says you have to depreciate at 60% yearly. Okay. So you flatly calculate. But there are some industries, suppose I put a mining industry, I done an implementation. Okay. The machinery used for only 15 days in a year. You rent it or if you use only 15 days, only 15 days you have to do the depreciation. That's how our income tax act says. Okay. That and all that finance team will tell you. So you don't have to worry. So for that special depreciation is there. Based on number of days you have to depreciate. Like that, asset will have all the setups to equip whatever globally, whatever need is there. Okay. So we see payable, receivable, assets. So cash management, you know, whatever comes from AP and AR and also GL, any bank charge, everything, it will reconcile. That is cash. GL. GL is the primary thing. It will import all the accounting entry from all the module, not even APAR, HRMS. See, HRMS, how it will link. See, there are employers, right? Employees. Salary, how you will process. Through AP payment only, no? It has to integrate. So through this, it will flow into GL. All that will import. So whatever is missed in the month end, you can create manual entries directly in GL also. So GL only you will do all the finalization, consolidation, budgeting, everything. Management interested only in the general ledger. Wherever issue comes, you see the account, you have to drill down and check. Every module you can go from GL. You have that. Okay. It's like an inquiry screen only. Okay. So, this is the overview of 5 financial module. Okay. Now I'll tell the difference between 11A version, R12. Now we have R13 Cloud.
In Amazon, what are they using, sir?
10 years before they use R12. Now I don't know, they changed the technology or what they're using. R12.
Fusion also same only, right?
Fusion, it's a, see, the technical is, see, okay. Suppose I am saving this Excel in desktop, right? I am saving somewhere. 11 and R12, you have a database, you have Oracle database administrator. In Fusion, everything in cloud. You don't have technical dependency in Fusion. That's why functional, there are more importance. Functional having more importance now. Technology that people reduce, no. See, you pay some rent, you some cloud, right? Everything moved to cloud. They store there. So your expense are reduced and data is safe, security and everything they are taking. Okay. I'll tell you. So what is the, see, in finance only few changes, but you see HRMS, they purchased the PeopleSoft, they purchased all small companies and they incorporated all the best things. And if you see HRMS module, it will be human capital management in a different shape. Many changes. More user friendly. They made user friendly. Like the credit card or bank department giving to you, you fill this from your link from wherever you're sitting, right? Like that, it is user friendly they made. That's why the implementation 3 or 4 weeks it will be completed. R12 if it take 1 year. Implementation support also they don't need. They are only doing it. That's how Fusion is. R12 is prevailing in the market mostly. Even 11A is there when Oracle doesn't support. A basic journal entry from the basic thing I'll do. How the Oracle is defined. Suppose I want to write a manual journal entry. Before, what is books of accounts they will write before? Suppose today is 13th May. First we will write a date for a journal entry. So I am doing a sales. So what is the accounting says? Debit what comes in? Cash debit, cash or bank, credit sales. So this is the basic accounting entry, first entry. Like that, debit what comes in, opposite is purchase. Cash will go out. So I am 9,000. This is how I will create a first journal entry in the +1. They will do it. So this is date. Particulars they call all the details. This is INR, right? Money. So suppose I am making this sale for a Tata company, Chennai branch. Where I will write, I have to put in the narration only. Being sales made in Chennai branch, in TCS, in the Oracle technology, floor 7, department, everything. So everything I have to put here. Suppose for a new sale, it is very big amount in USD or something. Company owner or CFO want to check this transaction. He has to come here and read this to understand. If the user types wrongly or something, it's gone. It's very difficult. So that's why ERP has come. How Oracle captures it, I'll see. See, in 11A we call 3C. What is 3C? This date becomes calendar. This is chart of accounts.
Mm.
This becomes currency.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm.
So this is a 3C in 11A.
Okay.
So combination of these 3C they call set of books.
Okay.
Okay. Set of books.
Okay.
See, what is the disadvantage here? The set of books. If you see, suppose my company is in India, branch 1. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I want to start a company in US. Definitely TCS have a branch. So I want to do some, there is definitely a calendar change. We are following April to March, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Their calendar is Jan to December.
Jan to December. Okay.
So 1C changes means you have to create new set of books.
Okay.
You have to create new. So the user, whenever he create a transaction, you have to log out this and log in here like that. You have to go. It's a new,
Okay.
right? So this is the
Okay.
biggest disadvantage here.
Mm-hmm.
Because for examining Tata, 150 or 200 countries, they will have a branch.
Okay.
So what happened? You cannot do like that, and consolidation of books is very difficult. So they brought R12.
Okay.
So what happened? Same 3C is there.
Mm-hmm. Location.
So what happened? Same 3C. They added 4th C called accounting convention or SLA.
Okay.
Subledger accounting they call.
Okay.
So the second C it is taken from this, and this is called 4C.
Okay.
What is 4C? What happened? Same thing. The first branch will have a 4C. If it is in India, it is called ledger. There we call set of books, right? Called ledger. So next, if you change other C, we will have a here first primary ledger we call. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And
from next onwards, we'll accommodate in secondary ledger. Anything changes. So you will have more, you can build up to 20 to 29 secondary ledgers. The more and more you go, more complicated. So this reduces this time saving thing. Okay. And what is 4th C? Accounting convention. See, suppose in India, we are following accrual method of accounting.
Mm-hmm.
In US is cash method. You know the difference between accrual and cash? Okay, I'll tell you. Basic, simple accounting. Okay. Mm-hmm. Suppose salary I am getting on 31st March. In a software company, you will get it before that, honor that. You are in a manufacturing company. Normally, it will be 5th of next month, correct?
Yeah.
Normal tendency, or any small office next month. But this expense pertains to March only. No? They will account in March only. Both of them account in March only, correct?
Correct.
So this is called accrual. I foresee this expense belongs to this month. I will book in this month only. Okay. So this is called accrual method. The same accounting in cash method, whenever you receive in bank accounting or cash only, you will do. So here the salary will be accounted in 5th April only. Okay. So in India, we are following accrual method. So we have to select here accrual. This will be selected in the country which they follow. For example, US, they are selecting, assuming that. Okay. Like that, each country having a method that you have to put in the assets and select accordingly. That also incorporated in the 4C. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, this cash method, you're saying 5th April itself, or you're saying that they will give the salary on 31st, but they will put it across in the next month?
No. Here also you are getting 5th of next month only. They are giving on bank. Your bank, it's on 5th or 10th. Here, when you receive only, the account will happen. That is cash method.
Okay.
It is a basic accounting. Okay. So this is 4C.
Okay.
So 3C, set of books, 4C. So this is the basic difference. Okay. Accounting flow and everything same. And Fusion, more same thing, the 4C. Okay. So we have the concept of ledger here, primary, secondary ledger. Okay. This is 4C. And what else is there? Okay. And one more concept, multi-org structure. This
Okay.
is what, see, whatever I'm telling, all interview questions only, okay? All very important.
Okay.
What is multi-org structure? Same example. We taken the example of Tata. Okay.
Okay.
They are having multiple businesses, multiple line of business. Example, you know, they are having steel. What are the other type? Software.
Cars, automotive,
Cars, motors, etc. So these are all the accounting manager will tell you, CFO will tell you the core. Maybe they are having 40 businesses up to now. Okay.
F&B.
So you have to estimate as a consultant, maximum another 20 to 30 years, how much business they will go. Okay. So I am telling them 99. Oh. Maximum you will go, I'll fix because you cannot go. So you have to plan accordingly. So any company without department, it won't run. So all the department, finance, that, this, and every company should have different department. Software means you have to define. Cars different. So based on that, I'll put maximum 3 digit 999. So the okay. And main is account. Without account, you cannot create a chart of account. So account should be liability accounts, asset account, revenue, and expense. These are the 4 type of accounts we are having. Okay.
Okay.
Selavu, varavu, asset, liability. So next one, we'll have one more here called retained earning. Last year profit has to be moved to retained earning, profit or loss. Okay. 5 type, a type of account we'll create, maybe more account. We'll have 4 digits, maximum 9999. Okay. So this, what we create, the different type of how we analyze the business, this is called segments. Initially, we create first segments. Okay. Okay. Business account. So which is the mandatory segment? Company and account. Minimum 2. Without that, you cannot create. Maximum 30 allowed. Normally, if you see all are having 6, 7, 8, 9. More and more, it will go compilated. Mostly dummy segment they will have, so they can change the name and they can do it, right?
Okay.
So company, account, these are the main and you can go. Okay.
Okay.
So what we seen, this is called chart of account. This is values, what all you give 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 like that. And where you create is under value set. So this is the only thing we are studying like this. Otherwise, all theory, all accounting only, all basic accounting, creating invoice like that. So value set you create. This is a one-time setup, okay? And we'll put the values under that. These are all values. So segments is the heading. Then we create a value set. Then you create values. These are all the values 1, 2, 3. After that, you combine everything. That will become chart of accounts. So second C I told, na, this is the second C. Chart of accounts. Okay. So multi-organization I told, no. First to create a business group.
Yeah.
It is done in HRMS.
Okay.
Just a name and I address where it is. Maybe here you can say Tata Groups. Under that ledger. Ledger is a combination of 4C. All the 4C you create. This is done under GL module, finance.
Okay, legal entity.
There comes legal entity. Legal entity is optional field, they say. It is like a legal numbers or registration done in a country. So as for that, this is also in GL. Then operating unit.
Operating unit.
So operating unit already you can create a GL or in HRMS. Okay.
Master organization.
Yeah, then you go to stock inventory organization. Then stock locators. So this is the flow.
Yeah.
So these are all you would create in SCM.
Yeah.
Once you've done this, only your new fresh implementation will start. Okay. So this we call. So this is the overview. What I'll do, I'll show the notes. I'll share you also. Please tell me you can see the word file you can see.
Yeah, I can. I mean,
Oh, these are all my own notes. Okay. Oracle
Okay.
Finance Theory. So easily how to you can the file you can see Oracle Financial Volume 1.
Yeah, I can see ERP theory. Yeah.
Okay. So I written what is MOAC. What is
No, I can't. It's not opened actually. I mean,
wait,
it's open. Okay.
now you can see.
Yeah, I can see. Oh, theory here. Okay.
Right. So what is a multi-org organization I given? What is business group? So these are all own notes I taken. What is ledger? Because by exam, these are all I taken. So I'll share you.
Okay.
So these are all simplified notes I taken so that okay. So what is ledger with an example and this one? What is if you come to the end? Yes, implementation steps and the accounting entry I told no, I'll show you.
Okay.
Because this is what they ask everywhere. Okay. So this is O2C cycle. So different one all I given at the time of material issue, resource validation, overhead cost, WAP if involved, everything.
Okay.
Simple one I'll show. Procure to pay. So creation of purchase requisition, no accounting. So receipt I told no receiving account to AP accrual account. So where it picks delivery, invoice matching with PO on making payment. P2P cycle, that's why this is O2C cycle. Like, okay. So these are all like how to quickly prepare for interview I have given. Like this is based on 11i and R12.
Okay.
So this is my own